Kia ora koutou. I just want to show you this cool effect that I got when I started slicing up this piece of Pounamu today. Here's the original block. So you can see, one side is already cut, that there was rough on the outside. You can see the general shape. If we go back to the slices here, that you can see how it kind of came together. This part here that's missing is actually pretty obvious fractures, which is what all these pieces here are. Bits that broke off, which are still going to be good to use, but I made sure I made those breaks before I started carving them. But what I want to show you is, because I cut this in 3 different ways, it's come out in 3 very different colourings. So these ones here that were cut down this way, down this end, they look like this. So it's a gorgeous dark green with some brown and black inclusions in there. I mean, that crack there doesn't go quite all the way through, but you can see that these make, bad shot there, that these have this really kind of almost stripy sort of looking pattern to it. And then I decided that there's long cuts here. We're going to be making some awesome colouring, and they are. Get that off there. Okay, but it makes quite different sort of patterning to the cuts down the sides. It's quite a bit darker, and the blacks aren't quite as pronounced in the same way. See if I hold this one up a bit. So quite different to the stripy sort of effect on the end. What blows me away is just how different that is, just from a different angle, different plane of the cut. So those ones, even though now those two are quite similar. So this last one, where I cut going along that way, it's come out totally different. Let's check this out. So these got this crazy, like light, bright green sort of colouring coming through. And these sort of almost cloud fractures are really obvious. Well, yeah, in most of these pieces. And that's just because it's been cut that way instead of along that way. So you can see the huge difference here between these deep dark green pieces and then these bright green modelled ones. And that's just all about the way it's cut. It shows a huge effect that different ways you cut up a piece of Pounamu can have on the final product. Amazing things you find are revealed to you as you explore Pounamu, eh? Incredible.